What is going on, YouTube? It's Trevor here today, and I'm coming at you with a banger. I'm going to talk to you guys about a stock I've never brought up on my channel before, but I believe has tons of potential, massive potential for the future. So please watch to the end. Today we're going to talk about the Very Good Food Company stock and why it needs to be in your portfolio. This is a vegan-based company from Canada that needs to be on your watch list. The specific company I'm going to talk about today has potential to increase its revenues 100+% in 2021 alone from the different quarters in 2020. So you're going to want to check this out and be sure to stick around until the end, because that's when I give my price prediction for this stock through 2021 as well as through 2025. So you're not going to want to miss that. Okay guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please consider doing it. We're a small channel now, but we're growing fast. Also, if you don't mind, please gently touch that like button on your phone. Thank you very much. Here's a crazy article from 2 days ago from Newsfile. It says, the Very Good Food Company announces achievement of production target, increasing e-commerce order fulfillment, and expansion into Sobeys retail network. Okay, this article goes on to say that the Very Good Food Company is pleased to announce that the Victoria facility has met its production target of 20,000 pounds per week on average, and an 82% capacity increase from October of 2020 alone. 2-3 months, an 82% increase in capacity. In addition to its operational achievement, Very has increased the fulfillment of e-commerce orders to an average of 1,800 orders per week, an increase of 100% from September of 2020. 100% increase from 2020, from September of 2020. September. With the help of its new 3PL logistics partner. Very also recently expanded its distribution into the Sobeys retail network with the impending launch of the Very Good Butcher's products into Farm Boy retail stores throughout Eastern Canada. Very is pleased to announce the production capacity at our Victoria facility has increased 82% to an average of 20,000 pounds per week from the previously reported capacity of 11,000 pounds per week in October of 2020. An acceleration of our operational plan. The significant increase in production capacity is the result of the success of our ongoing continuous improvement projects, as well as our new Canadian 3PL logistics partnership. The 3PL partnership allows for the fulfillment of our e-commerce orders at a third-party distribution center, increasing the production footprint at the Victoria facility. This 3PL partnership has also enabled us to reduce e-commerce shipping times down to 1 to 2 weeks, which will allow for a higher volume of fulfilled orders per month, which means more money. An average of 1,800 e-commerce orders were fulfilled weekly in December of 2020 compared to 900 online orders weekly in September of 2020 prior to the beginning of the partnership. In the future, this new logistics partner will also perform wholesale order fulfillment and transport our products to our distribution partners in both Canada and the United States. There's one thing that is definitely lacking in this article, and that's demand for the product, right? Because all this is talking about is logistics as to how to get the product to you quicker, because they are so busy out there. There's not very many companies operating in this space, operating in this industry that's growing as an industry in of itself double digits every single year, and I believe to grow huge by 2025 to 2030. From all the research that I've done, I can tell that they are extremely, extremely busy at this company. They've spent a lot of money on marketing recently, and I believe that it's paid off leaps and bounds for them, because I mean, it's hard to even get their product to your door right now because there's so many people that have such demand for it, and you can see the increase in demand for it just month over month. Just in 2 months, the amount of e-commerce orders doubled. Guys, this is a baby company. This company's market cap is under $500 million. That's kind of a little spoiler. This is a very, very small company that could end up being a very, very big company in a growing industry. I mean, this could be like literally finding a piece of gold in a haystack, because all these penny stocks that are usually around $5 to $6, they're usually very volatile. A lot of times they'll go to basically zero. They'll do a lot of reverse splits, things of these nature. But this is a penny stock. It even trades on the OTC market, so you can't trade on Robinhood or Webull or most other trading platforms. You have to go to a TD Ameritrade or Fidelity or something like that to even buy this stock, because it's not on the New York Stock Exchange, it's not on the NASDAQ, all these things, but it has such potential sitting in front of it. Now let's talk about the expanded distribution into the retail stores within Eastern Canada. This is big. Very is pleased to announce that it has further expanded its wholesale distribution into Eastern Canada, and the Very Good Butcher's products will soon be available at Farm Boy retail stores, part of the Sobeys network. With over 30 locations in Eastern Canada, Farm Boy is a specialized retailer that places emphasis on farm-to-table wholesale. This milestone demonstrates the company's steady expansion across Sobeys' 1,500 store network, which first started with VRYYF's launch into Thrifty Foods. VRYYF is seeking new distribution opportunities across Canada and into the United States, with the Rupert facility coming online in the first quarter of 2021. CEO Mitchell Scott commented, "We are pleased to see our relationship with Sobeys, one of North America's largest grocery store chains, deepen with our impending launch into Farm Boy's retail stores. As we start to commission the Rupert facility with the goal of significantly increasing production capacity, this is a vote of confidence from one of VRYYF's key retail partners." Okay, guys, if you've never heard of the Very Good Food Company, I'm going to just quickly introduce you to their website. Essentially, you show up, it's going to ask you what country you're from, Canada or USA. I'm from USA, so I'll click on that. I believe that they have less options that they can ship actually to the United States rather than Canada, but you still can buy stuff. I'm not going to sign up for that. Basically, this is a plant-based protein company that ships the product straight to your door, so you don't have to go to a grocery store. And they sell in different packages of $100, $50, and you get between, I think, 10 and 14, 28 meals based upon what size you buy. As well as they have all sorts of different email marketing. They already tried to send me a bunch of emails, as well as they've got subscription services. Essentially, if you're in the United States, these are the two options that I see that you can purchase. So basically, guys, a big box of plant-based meat, which I have personally never tried, but I've heard great reviews about it, and I've tried to buy it before, but when I tried to buy it, they were all sold out last month, or 2 months ago. Last month. Last month I tried to buy some of these, this actually for Christmas. I wanted to give to someone as a gift and give half of it and then keep half of it. Since there's two of basically everything, I wanted to try that out. But they were sold out. I couldn't buy it, and it didn't even tell you when you could buy. So for $100, you get 28 meals of this plant-based meat that doesn't really go bad. You need to refrigerate it, but it's plant-based meat that supposedly tastes really good. You get 28 meals delivered to your door, so it's not too bad of a deal. And not only that, but they have subscription savings.